Hey folks, Adam here, and I have this. It is a spin brush. Now, these things have gotten a great reputation, particularly by this company. The battery technology is through the roof to where you can really do some great scrubbing in your bathroom and in your house, and I'm very excited to test it out. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So first, let's go ahead and see what's in the box. First, we have this. This is the actual motor and battery itself, and of course, you have the extension wand, where you can extend it and really get some distance on this. Then on top of that, we have a variety of brushes and heads. So lots of fun stuff here. This one is going to be very important for getting those corners and edges. Very powerful. You've got one that has kind of a Velcro pad to where you can put the sponge on it. Very nice. You've even got this pad, which is kind of a polishing wheel, as well as two more, a more abrasive pad, and this guy right here for flat surfaces. This is going to be really good for your shower. Okay, so it does charge with USB, and of course it has the instruction manual, how to make it happen, HOTO, how to make it happen. I see what they did there. But yeah, very, very impressive. Everything you need, and on top of that, a nice carrying bag to where you can keep it in one spot all together, and you can store that easily. So you can see with the different heads, we can go ahead and turn this on, hold it down for a second, and this is going to be really good for cleaning out those crevices. We've got the area around the toilet here. That's going to make getting those details much easier than ever before. Even getting a little bit of grout, this is going to make a difference. And let's not forget that with that extension wand, which is adjustable, we can go ahead and get those hard to reach higher spots if you're trying to get things up in the corners and up high above, or even just a little bit out of reach. This is going to make a world of difference. So we're just going to turn it on and get the scrubbing. You know, I must have missed it, but there's even a smaller flathead, so a lot of different areas that we can hit. Let's try this in the sink. Not bad, I like it. And I like that you can adjust the speed here. So one of the things is my bathroom is pretty clean, so let's go ahead and test it out here. This is my lanai, my outdoors. We've got some cats, and it gets really dirty. So we're going to test out some of the different heads and things, and we're going to test it out here on the lanai. You're going to see a real difference. Now, when I use it outdoors, it's great for cleaning windows and stuff, but I like to have just the hose so I can rinse it off afterwards, and you'll see the before and after. It is pretty impressive, the difference. So I don't know how well you can see that, but it is looking pretty gross. So we're just going to go ahead and scrub. Hold down for a second or two there. Get that looking good again. And you know, you can do this with just about any surface. I love the fact that you got a variety of different tips. And I just like to rinse it off afterwards, and you can see the real difference there. This makes a big difference for me, and it's going to make a big difference for you. All right, switching heads, we're going to go ahead and see how dirty this surface is. Go ahead and turn this on. And it's nice that there's different head for different types of surfaces. I wouldn't want anything too abrasive to this stainless steel, but this is allowing me to get some scrubbing, and I'm not doing any of the elbow work. That makes me happy. And look at that right there. Go around one more time. And this is going to get a lot cleaner without me having to really do all the work. Okay, let's go ahead and rinse it off, but you already see a difference, don't you? I like that. Look at that. That is a huge difference in the surface. See if I can get a little more light on that. That looks good, right? Swapping out the heads again. Look at how dirty that is. Man, my porch has looked better for sure. I get that nice and clean. Getting the corners is good with this particular tool right here. And we're going to get it looking new again. Let's go ahead and hit it with some water. You're going to see, nobody wants a gross looking, this could be your kitchen, This could be your stove, your oven, or it could be your porch. Really nice. You know what, some of the sides of my pool get kind of grubby too. Perfect. And look at this right here, right? I don't even know what's over here. Just mud and mildew and grossness. We're gonna go ahead and hit some of this. We've switched the head again. And I actually see some mildew growing in there, some algae, who knows. But it's nice to be able to hit this quickly and make a world of difference in a matter of seconds. Look at that. That is nice, that's cleaning off. And it's hard to tell, but I want to see if we can see it on camera. Some of these are getting kind of green and algae-ish. So the fact that I can get that algae out of there. What is that, mildew? I don't even know. But I'm glad that I don't have to scrub it. It does the scrubbing for me, and then we can rinse it away. Nice, right? All right, folks, and then you can see right in here, just cat hair and grime. And we're gonna switch the heads again. And this time we're gonna use the Velcro tip. See if I can get that on camera. Go ahead and set that right in there. A little bit more abrasive surface. Gonna spray it down a little bit and turn it on. And we're gonna clean this off. And this is a storage seat. You can store underneath the seat. But who wants to sit on it when it's that dirty? And the fact that you can get that nice and clean, scrubbed, and then spray it off. What a world of difference. All right, folks, so the bottom line is there's almost unlimited options and ways that I can clean with this. And I really do like this carrying bag, and even if the head's a little wet, you can put it in here, it's very breathable. So if you're looking for something that's going to make a world of difference for your cleaning world and is going to make it easier for you to get that clean that you want, go ahead and pick this up. It's a fantastic device from a great company, a company that stands behind their products. The battery time on this is second to none. The recharge time is fast, it's lightweight. I love the extending wand for those high spots. And if you're shorter, you're gonna love that as well. So folks, go pick it up, you will not be disappointed. This is the original, the true blue. This is tried and true. Go check it out, you will not be disappointed. It's time to pick one up. Goodbye, my friends.